According to our Theta Cost Forecast 2023, the token is supposed to have a greatest cost of $1.80 with a base cost of 70 cents. Theta organization is supposed to arrive at the most extreme value level of $3.20 as indicated by our Theta Coin Cost Forecast 2025. Based on our Theta Cost Expectation 2030, the normal cost of Theta organization may be around $17 toward the finish of 2030. Right now, the Theta coin cost is exchanging around 86 cents over the course of the past week, notwithstanding the negative opinion. Theta Crypto has figured out how to hold its cost level above 80 cents starting from the start of 2023. This mirrors the likelihood that the Theta coin cost might go up and could raise a ruckus around town mark by 2025. In the event that you are searching for a Theta gauge, our top-to-bottom examination expects to respond to your inquiries like, what is Theta organization? Is Theta a wise venture? What is the eventual fate of Theta? Before we start with itemized Theta cost forecast, how about we plunge into the coin's outline? What is Theta organization? Theta organization is a cutting-edge blockchain that is centered around media and diversion. It empowers existing video and media stages to drive gradual incomes and lessen content conveyance costs. By compensating end clients for sharing their stockpiling and data transfer capacity on any PC, portable, brilliant television, or IoT gadget, Theta upholds Turing-complete shrewd agreements and is completely viable with Ethereum, which empowers an extensive variety of intriguing Web3 applications to be based on the organization. Theta organization is a double organization comprising of two reciprocal subsystems, the Theta blockchain and the Theta Edge organization. The Theta blockchain gives installment, award, and shrewd agreement abilities, while the Theta Edge organization is answerable for the capacity and conveyance of media resources like pictures and recordings. Theta organization is certainly not a decentralized YouTube or jerk. Rather, it is the hidden blockchain and decentralized capacity conveyance foundation that controls the up-and-coming age of Web3 video, web-based, and media amusement stages. How does the Theta range work? Theta is a decentralized video real-time network controlled by three kinds of hubs: venture validator hubs, gatekeeper hubs, and edge hubs. Undertaking validator hubs process exchanges, watchman hubs confirm exchange blocks, and edge hubs share transfer speed and handoff video transfers. Theta additionally permits engineers to assemble decentralized applications on its blockchain. Theta clients can download the Authority Theta wallet application to hold or stake Theta and tfuel token. Theta likewise has a micropayment framework for video web-based that permits content watchers and makers to send and get Theta. Theta utilizes a changed BFT agreement component that keeps the organization of PCs running Theta organization in a state of harmony. Both validator and gatekeeper hubs take part in the agreement component, adding an additional degree of safety to the convention. Validator hubs should stake at least 10 million Theta, while gatekeeper hubs need to stake 100,000 Theta, as it were. Subsequent to hitting an unequaled high of $15.90 in April 2021, Theta organization crypto confronted a precarious fall, and it kept on exchanging under gigantic negative tension until April 2022. Afterward, from the last May, the Theta token cost has enlisted consolidative value development to date. Notwithstanding, starting from the start of 2023, it has denoted a moderate recuperation and figured out how to exchange above 70 cents. The ongoing cost of the Theta token is around 87 cents. All said and done, Theta's pattern has been very forceful, prompting a promising way. The coin might fill quickly, particularly for unions. Theta Coin Value Forecast 2023 as indicated by our ongoing Theta Cost Expectation 2023, the Theta coin cost is anticipated to go up and arrive at the greatest value level of $1.85. The typical cost of Theta organization may be around $1.20, while the base value level may be around 70 cents during 2023. Theta Crypto Value Expectation 2024. In view of our Theta Cost forecast for 2024, it is guessed that the Theta cost can hit a limit of $2.30 and hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The most minimal Theta organization cost will be around $1.80, and the typical Theta organization cost will exchange around $2. Theta Value Expectation 2025 to 2025 could stamp the benchmark year at the cost of the Theta coin. It is anticipated to outperform a typical cost of $3.10 definitely. According to our Theta Coin Cost Expectation 2025, the crypto may record the greatest cost degree of $3.50, while the base value level may be around $2.70. Theta token value expectation 2026. There is plausible that Theta organization will rise dramatically in 2026. Theta coin cost is supposed to cross a normal cost of $4. The greatest and least value levels may be around $4.70 and $3.80 individually, according to the Theta cost expectation 2026. Theta forecast 2027. Financial backers can expect a circle back toward the finish of 2027, as the reception of Theta will develop dramatically. The most extreme value level of Theta organization may effortlessly hit $5.80 toward the finish of 2027 according to our Theta cost forecast. On the disadvantage, it might tumble to the most reduced value level of around $4.90. Theta value expectation 2028 keeping up pair with a similar bullish pattern. There are forecasts that Theta is ready for a rise in 2028. The Theta coin could contact the most exorbitant cost degree of $6.40 with a typical cost of $6 in view of our Theta cost expectation for 2028. The base cost may be around $5.60 during the year. Theta organization value expectation 2029 of every 2029. The typical Theta cost might raise a ruckus around town mark according to our Theta cost conjecture. Financial backers might acquire extraordinary benefits assuming they contribute with perfect timing. The most extreme and least value levels may be around $6.90 and $6.30. Theta value expectation 2030. Theta organization cost is anticipated to reach somewhat around its past all-time high by 2030, with a typical exchanging cost of $7.30. Theta organization's base worth could come to $6.70. In light of our Theta coin cost expectation for 2030, we anticipate that the greatest cost should be around $8. In light of our Theta cost figure, a drawn-out remedy is normal. The cost expectation for long-term end is 53 cents. Your ongoing speculation might be downgraded. Hence, Theta can be a terrible, high-risk venture choice. Future cost of the Theta token is anticipated at $1.19 following a year as indicated by our Theta cost expectation. As per our profound specialized examination and Theta cost expectation, in 2023 the cost of Theta organization is determined to be at around a base worth of $1.44. The Theta organization value worth can arrive at a limit of $1.67 with the typical exchanging worth of $1.49. Is Theta a wise speculation? An expected level of investment is consistently prudent, being a vital component here. There ought not be any heartbreaks nor any misrepresented assumptions required in the event that you trade mindfully, facing a calculative challenge. What amount will Theta be worth in 2025? As indicated by the Theta coin cost forecast 2025. The normal cost of Theta organization could cross the $3 mark. It could raise a ruckus around town level of $3.60 toward the finish of 2025. Where might I at any point purchase Theta? At this moment, you can purchase Theta at major crypto trades, including Binance. When you have your exchanging account set up at one of the trades that exchange Theta, you should move your Bitcoin or ETH cash from Coinbase to that particular trade. This is done by means of a wallet framework. Does Theta have a future? Theta is one digital currency that will have a brilliant future. Riding the crypto wave, it will control the computerized realm, thus for the purpose of installment, it would have a long rule. Is Theta a trick or genuine?